And hello everyone and welcome to Learn to Trade channel. My name is Kevin Tate. Today I will be presenting a free webinar offer through Dejan Duke. Dejan Duke are the manufacturers of a coffee brewer system. As you can see, this is a image of one on the screen right now, one of their coffee brewing systems. And I've done previous videos on Dejan Duke. You can also go back and look at career opportunities with Dejan Duke as well. That's a video that I did in the past. And you will see that in the playlist for commercial training or commercial job opportunities or business opportunities. But they're going to be holding a webinar now, a free monthly webinar each Wednesday beginning June 4th. Um, they say you can call them. You can call their tech support department if you have any questions. I will put their number in the description below, but you can call that number and then hit option 2 and if you have any questions. But other than that, the topic is going to be on Dejan Duke's free webinar starting each Wednesday of every month, starting June 4th. Online training will be offered weekly throughout the month. This month, we will focus on problem-solving techniques for addressing common issues with our machines. Sessions will take place twice a day on Wednesdays. The first session will begin at 7 a.m. Eastern Time, followed by a second session at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, each lasting about approximately 1 hour. So you'll have each Wednesday beginning on June 4th, you'll be able to attend this free webinar. The first session will begin at 7 a.m. The second session will begin at 10 a.m. And remember, that's Eastern Time. So all you have to do is click on the link that I'm going to put in the description below. That's going to be the meeting link. So you'll be able to click on that meeting link in this description. Copy and save that link, and then you can just be able to click on it 15 minutes before the session begins, and then you'll be able to join in on the webinar. And remember, it's free. It's going to be a free training webinar, so hopefully you all are able to take advantage of that. That's a nice opportunity to be able to learn about the equipment and also to potentially, get your name on the list as a service provider over time. And I'm sure you will be impressed with this equipment training at that. So hopefully you're able to take this down, go down and hit the link. If you have any questions, you can call their tech support number, which will also be in the link. And that's all I have. Thank you for watching. Take care. And